Hello. Welcome. So, I did some off-camera work as well. I was trying to, the face detection thing is lagging the UI. Right? So I was trying to convert the full face detection towards like a worker, but it did not work. You know why? Because there is like a hard limit, like face API has like this thing. Let's see, like looking at it before. Yeah, so they just have is browser, where is it? Yeah, so they're just checking the whole, like, is it browser or is it Node.js, and only on those two situations it is gonna work. And guess what, while running like a process and a worker, it does not like verify the is browser this thing, right? So it gives an error. Which I think somebody had like given a code snippet. If I figured out a way, looking at the check, right? It's nothing more than just, where was it? Where is it? I'm looking, yeah. So it's like they're not finding one of this, right? So window is not an object, document is not equals to undefined, and like all of the types. I think like these are the things that the worker does not have access to, right? So that is why it's giving an error, right? There might be a way to actually looking at it. I did not look at it more in depth, or I'm looking at it. I think this thing is gonna work. Like, let's just, yes. Yes, I think it's going to work. If I just do this, that changed everything, man. I think once, let's just so for once, let's go here. Let's call a new worker. I think the whole thing. Will this work? Okay, so it worked. What I try and this, right? And then I wanna dispatch a thing like a worker. Let's add it saved somewhere. Let's what the hell is happening? Like if this thing works or not. What I need to do. I think the whole system is lagging all over. Oh, I cannot have this much. So I need to post a message. Excuse me. Sorry. So I'm now gonna send element which it has to convert into an image. I can do this, right? Where did I have a constant? Ah, sorry, mistakes happen, but this shows that it's actually working, right? Element is not found. Where? Ah, yes. It's going to be. What was it? Data dot image data. So is it like the name of the thing? Like if I go here, element. What is this? Undefined properties of undefined. What if I convert it to file myself and actually not convert it? That can be done. What happened? So it's not this, it's this. And today is today. And I'll look at the performance later on. Post message worker object cannot end. What is the meaning of this? So fail to execute this. Do I have to like convert that into a canvas? Let's switch this. Or is it like this? Is it because like I think it's because this, right? Nope. Still, let's see how the so I need to convert the whole thing into a canvas and then to a string. And then I need to convert it back to an image, and then the detection is going to happen. Whoa. Let's say if that stops the jitter, like the freezing of UI, then that is also like the time factor does not matter, I don't think, because we just like do processing 3 to 4 images whether it be like 2-3 MBs, it's just like 2 to 3. It's not. It should not take more than 5 to 10 seconds. I think for now, time factor is a big issue. So let's do it. Let's try first. With this work, I need to check first of all. Well, let's, for example, I'm just gonna send nothing. So I am going to change so will this work? Let's try this first. Yeah, sure. So it works. This thing works, right? So the plan that I told earlier is in action. What I need to do first is I need to convert this image data. I'm gonna call this image, right? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy paste. So for example, I'm gonna do this. Right. I'm gonna do this. You know, I do not have to do this, right? What if I send the file, right? For example, image data, or I'm just gonna send element, right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like do the conversion myself without using the face API thing. That's gonna work. Okay, then does this work or not? Like I want this, right? So this needs to be here. Yes. So this works. Let's just do like this, right? Or no, I'm gonna take this instead. So there needs, at least we are certain that it's working. So what I have to do now is let's check. It does not matter if those do not contain any images. Will this work? I did not get any response. Let's check. Right. I did not send any of the request. Right. How will I be able to do it? How will I be able to achieve? console log from a worker. Is it sending in? No. It's sending elements. It is doing something. I don't know what. Or and it's not image data. I think is it actually working or not? Right. Sending any request. So I think I need to send a string inside, and then what I need to do is I'm just gonna, like, you know, the best 64 thing. So I'm just gonna make that, and that's gonna load, right? And then because it does not have to send any requests. I think that is a viable idea too. So off to thing I was doing. So I need this. For example, I need to convert img to canvas space 64. Why is my laptop lagging a lot? I think I need to boot system. Did not work. Let's see why it didn't work. What if I remove the whole this? I just think bad. So t.add event listener is not up. How do I actually make this correct? Hmm. I need the loading thing. So it does not work. I think rather than wasting time, I need to do the thing that I'm supposed to. Let's just go back to what it was. I can always go back to this. So I tried having some, like, delays, but it did not work. I think just yeah, and then just load the models. So Now what I need is I think then what I have to do is where's the thing? So I remember. So I need to check if this dot done not equals to is not greater than 0, then this is to not, right? So buttons, I can show button, I should be able to show button anytime, like right here. So the previous button, not just any buttons. So what I'll do is I'm gonna yes, get rid of this. So buttons and state. So what I do is that is going to be there, and what I need to do is I need to so if in this, right? So yeah, what I have to do is info no faces found so what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna make BC 500 rounded. So then let's try this. Is the info thing? Where is the info? Anyway, it's over here. I'm gonna have all of this just without. No, I'm gonna have this. So I'm gonna have this. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this. Right. So So no, I'm not gonna have this. Not need relative, and I put this to be loop 600. I think this is gonna work. Yeah. No. Let's not do blue, let's do yellow. Make it yellow. So and this face face, which I done. So in the given files, face of has no faces could be detected. Please verify that the image is clear and visible. The image slash face detected. So this does not actually need to be right. I need all of this. I can achieve all of this with just one, two. So this and text center. And this is enough. No, I just need padding is already there. So what is this? Text. What was that? Text LG. So no faces detected. This needs to have a little bit of gap. So I'm gonna margin top probably 4. Yeah, so now I need to convert this into a template where x if $store dot detection dot done equals 0 and end detection $store dot and complete. Is it? And detection and detection. Then also this. So it's not gonna come forward as soon as it's done detecting. No. I think done is going to be 0. One is always gonna have better, right? No faces found. Why do I have to complicate things? No faces found. Right. Done. So length. Is greater than 0. So no faces found. No, it's gonna be false. So I'm gonna assume that face is going to be found. It's not gonna be found here. Length. So if I do this, and if no face is found, complete. It's gonna be no. It's gonna be no face is found. Yes. So it's not this. It's detection. To have this. Will this work now? Should work. Not work. This didn't come. No, what? This was the problem. So yes, no faces were found. So what this means is I can go back and delete things that it's not face and this face but this did not come. So what happened there? Right. I need to is there a way to just call a function in Alpine? release. So once it's initialized, or I think this can work. So I should always convert, so the buttons should be true. The face to go back. There is next. I'm going to go here and do this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna add. I'm gonna go next. Still here. Where is that? Ah, yeah. The whole face. I think it's more than. How do I do it? Didn't this find out any? Is it like push or append? I think it's push, right? Push and pop. Yes, it's push. What is happening? Isn't it finding like something else? Downloads. We know for a fact this is detected, and it did not detect. Where is that? And there is this. is this. Excuse me. Throat. I get all of this, right? Get an image. I try and detect faces. What if I am not getting anything because I'm using very might not optimize thing. What if I do this instead? It's gonna take some. It's actually that. It started to work, but at the cost of not being as performant. What do I do? I think working is the good thing here. Yeah, I get the next instead of getting the info warning message. So if I do next, now what I need to do is I need to compare the given face with other faces. And why didn't this work? Like, what is this? Is init fired only once? Is it like multiple times? Init directive allows you to hook into the initialization phase of the element. I am on the so what if let's check whether it's being initialized multiple times or just once. I'm being initialized as got that right. Now if I go, it is being initialized, but why is it not like? So what if I put a next tick? So what if I do this instead? Like, instead of doing in this current tick, go and do it in the next tick. Yes. Yes. This is nice. Now I need to do the same thing, but to compare with all of the faces. First of all, add all of this. So I need to commit all of this. State. What was the state? Detection. Face detection. So this detection part is complete. if I hit next, what is the thing that should happen? So let's create I need all of this. It's gonna be 2, and then where do you end? There. Working. No, it's not. Oh, we're gonna delete this. I'm gonna add this. Office. This is. I was wondering why that thing this needed so much. Like, oh no! Like if I kept a margin to this, this would not work. But if I kept a margin to this element, it would work. I was like wondering why that was happening. Now we know there was a rogue div flying around. What if I just do this? What is there? So item center. Does flex also work with this item center? It does not. Now what if put a grid? But yeah. What if I do this? No face. What if I have face? Yep. This is good. This is good. But now I'm gonna press next. Finding your celeb twin. Let's add some like emoji. I don't know what's that called. Is it like sparkles? Yep. Let's have some flares. And then I don't need that now. And sort it out with this. I don't think. this is also going to work, right? Wait, what? Why do I have no face and I think this should be a bit less textless actual. This is going to be LG. And I think they're gonna swap places. Oh, what happened? Ah. This is going to be some. Margin bottom is needed. Yes. Three is too much, I think. And that's work. Do I need margin top there? Isn't there like, can't you add margin to small, like small tag? That's too much. So two. Excuse me. Oh. Finding between just a few more seconds. Now, once all of the celebrities are detected, it's gonna do is just gonna yes. So what I'm just gonna do is we need to this is going to be my at first I need to sort this, then the element where all of the celebrities name and photo is going to be there, right? So for now I'm just gonna do this. This is going to make it even slower. So I think what is it? Single. Yeah, that was initialized. So this is working. Now what I need to do is I need to go here and I need to query it, right? So I need to make another line.store. This is going to hold the API yes. So which is going to have data, which is going to have all of the celebrities like name, right? List of celebrities. For now, just names. Later on, there are going to be three things: name, the URL of an article or something to just click and go to that particular like article about the artist or celebrity and their image, right? So detect, yes, I'm gonna call this, right? So data is this data is going to be nothing. It's gonna clear everything. No, I need a set. I think new set. Clear. That's right. So I need to clear it. Then what I need to do is I need to query it, and I think I had no. I should have had a query like code. I had written it before. Let's where is WASM? Not that. There should be query, right? Here. Not this. Where is it? So loading it. Change file to query it. Yes, there is the query thing. This is loading models. After this, the whole thing. This should have had everything. Why doesn't this have like all of the nope, it does not have. I don't think this has. Nope, it does not have any. What? Why doesn't this have the query thing? I don't remember where I kept it. So somewhere around. No, it's not there at all. I know for a fact. Why don't I have the part? Actually, why don't I have it? I should have had it like here. I remember making it. I need to make it again, man. This is a bummer. So why do I have the query like here and do not have it? It makes no sense. I changed it today. Actually, no, I do not think I changed it. Anyways, I changed it. Let's please think. Or is it because it's in WASM and it not? Yeah. So it's in WASM. It means it's nothing. So it is. Need this. Where is it? Ready? I need to go through every like alpine dot store. Need to get detection dot dot for each element. So I'm gonna add an element and it's gonna console log the rest. know what I can do. I just realized instead of all of this, what I can do is in the same way as I did over here, I can let's go here xtask init. So we're just going to have our next tick. Just happened. Yes. So it is detect. So store is not a function. Okay. So it's gonna be like this. Yep. So right now. Leonardo. So we actually know that it is working. Right. About instead of this, I do. Don't know if it will work. It's just here. So what I need to do is I need to add name to Leonardo to data for now. What was it? Add, I think, res.name. I need to check first for something first. So data for which is it gonna work? Can it iterate through a set? is the undefined thing. Ah. Two, 5, 9, 8. So yes. Let's template again. Or I need, first of all, I need an empty element. We're going to have template, and then s4 equals to store dot data. Then what I have to do is need so What happened? Is it count? How do you count set? So is it count set in JS? And its size. Oh, why do you need to have so many like keywords when right now? No. So how about I do something like this? Data equals to right. So that how far? So I do something like this. We're gonna take that new set, and then I added this. And at last, what I'm gonna do is data equal this dot data equals to I'm gonna add it from detected. I think this is gonna work. It does not work. Why doesn't it work? It's because it's size, not length. Yes. Now I have to work on. What do I have to work on? I think I need to work on showing their actual image, not just a name. Right. Accuracy is very good. Like, I don't think I've logged anything. So I think I'm gonna do this much for today. I need to sleep. The whole thing is about to finish. The app is going to be completed soon. But I need to like make the real-time detection thing as well. So it's gonna take some time, I think. Thank you everyone who joined in the next stream. Good night.